Graduates, as we sit here today and we look around the room, we will find a connection between us all. We took a leap of faith coming to college, and we had to work extremely hard to get to where we are. Successes, defeats, sacrifices, and triumphs are a part of all of our stories. So if I leave you with anything today, please remember that you are capable and you are deserving, that you've worked for your opportunities, so if you begin to question things, say to yourself, I earned this opportunity, so why not me? And finally, I want you to know that I'm very grateful to every single one of you for truly changing my life. Congratulations to the class of 2023. I'm immensely proud of you all.
Welcome everyone, and congratulations to the class of 2023.
Go forward, graduates, and share your experiences, your newfound knowledge, and your expertise. Please follow your passion as I have, regardless of challenges. Forge a path that provides you with a purpose and a career that is a work of the heart, that brings you joy. Surround yourself with individuals that complement your skill set. Be a leader and a follower, and remember that these two roles are equally important. We human beings all want to know that we're acceptable and that our being alive somehow makes a difference in the lives of others. Thank you for making me feel that my 38 years in education have made a difference. Thank you so much. Class of 2023, you are all SUNY Canton rock stars, and we're so proud of you. Congratulations, and this is for Noah. Yeah!